Do you often experience urine infections or randomly feel pain in your kidney areas? If yes, then it could be due to unhealthy kidneys. If you want to detox or cleanse your kidney by just changing your diet, you must add these 8 foods to your diet chart. Before we learn about the best foods to detox our unhealthy kidneys, it's necessary to know about how these bean-shaped organs play a huge role in maintaining our overall health. Do you know that every single day, your kidneys filter through approximately 200 quarts of blood? That's nearly 50 gallons, enough to fill a small bathtub. In this detailed process, they carefully separate waste materials and extra water and then remove them from your body as urine. Also, kidneys work like pillars of your body's internal equilibrium. They maintain your blood pressure and the strength of your bones. You can cleanse and detox your unhealthy kidneys just by consuming a healthy diet. So here are 8 foods that you should include in your diet chart to improve your kidneys. Water is needed for your kidneys to function properly. If the kidneys do not function properly, waste products and excess fluid can build up inside the body, leading to various health issues. Drinking enough water can help prevent these problems and improve kidney function. Water acts as a natural detoxifier that supports the critical processes performed by the kidney. The main function of the kidney is to filter waste excess fluids from the blood. Sufficient intake of water is necessary to facilitate their operations. Different research has shown that increased water intake can lower the risk of developing kidney stones by diluting the concentration of minerals and salts in the urine that can crystallize to form these painful deposits. The risk of urinary tract infections is also reduced by maintaining optimal hydration. So it is recommended for everyone to consume approximately 12 to 14 glasses of water daily to make their kidneys healthy and fit. Have you ever looked closely at kidney beans? They are shaped like our kidneys. These beans are not just preferred in various cuisines, but also are beneficial for kidney health. One of the primary benefits of kidney beans comes from their high fiber content. Dietary fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and it helps in the prevention of constipation, which can put unnecessary pressure on the kidneys. It is also beneficial for diabetes patients because it helps in the regulation of blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Another great fact is that kidney beans are an excellent source of magnesium, potassium, and protein, all of which are vital for kidney health. Magnesium plays a role in hundreds of biochemical reactions in the body, including the function of the kidneys. Adequate magnesium intake can help prevent the formation of kidney stones, which is a common kidney problem. Likewise, potassium helps regulate fluid and electrolyte balance in the body, which is crucial for proper kidney function. However, individuals with advanced kidney disease need to monitor and manage their potassium intake, as their kidneys may not be able to remove excess potassium effectively. Protein is necessary for the repair and growth of all body tissues, including those in the kidneys. Kidney beans are a great source of plant proteins that can lower the risk of developing kidney disease. Now, the best part about eating kidney beans in the form of salad or boiled soup is that you gain a good amount of iron, which is needed for the production of red blood cells. Many kidney patients suffer from anemia, so for them, kidney beans are a rich source of iron and prevent their condition from getting worse. If you don't like eating kidney beans, then you can just add them to salads, soups, and stews. And don't forget to cook them properly, because if they are raw, then it can cause stomach pain or constipation. Lemon juice is a natural detox. It is liked not only for its vibrant flavor, but also for its health benefits, particularly when it comes to kidney health. It is nourished with nutrients that can have a positive impact on the kidneys and helps to prevent common kidney-related issues. One of the main components of lemon juice that benefits the kidneys is citric acid. Citric acid helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. It's high in pH, so it allows your stones to dissolve with urine. Lemon juice is also a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C supports the immune system, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections that can lead to kidney infections if left untreated. Moreover, vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, helping to prevent anemia. Lemon juice is also a natural diuretic, meaning it can help increase urine production and frequency, assisting the kidneys in flushing out toxins and waste materials more efficiently. This diuretic effect can help prevent the accumulation of waste products in the body, reducing the burden on the kidneys. Regularly drinking lemon juice can also be great for weight loss. You can also just squeeze a lemon over your salad or daily dishes, or drink it in marinades. It can be a great way to improve your digestion. Watermelon is not only a refreshing summer fruit, but also a blessing for kidney health. This juicy fruit is made up of about 92% water, which is why it's a great fruit for hydration. One of the key benefits of watermelon for the kidneys is its diuretic properties. What I mean is that the natural water content of watermelon stimulates urine production, which helps in flushing out toxins from the kidneys. It prevents the buildup of harmful substances in the kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stones and other renal complications. Watermelon is also a good source of potassium, magnesium, calcium, and vitamin C. Also, it is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives watermelon its red color. Lycopene has been shown to have several health benefits. For example, reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative stress. Watermelon can be eaten raw, added to fruit salads, blended into smoothies, or juiced. Given its high water content, watermelon is especially beneficial during hot weather or after physical activity when hydration is particularly important. Besides its delicious taste, eating pomegranate can give you unlimited benefits. Both the seeds and juice of pomegranates are nutritious for the kidneys. One of the standout features of pomegranates is their high antioxidant content, particularly polyphenols, which include tannins, anthocyanins, and ellagic acid. These antioxidants help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Pomegranates are also rich in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Moreover, pomegranates have been studied for their potential to reduce the risk of forming kidney stones. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in pomegranates can help lower the levels of acidity in the urine. Blending pomegranates into your diet can be as simple as eating the seeds fresh, juicing the fruit, or adding pomegranate arils to salads, yogurts, and other dishes. Pomegranate juice is a concentrated source of the nutrients found in the fruit, but it's important to consume it in moderation due to its sugar content. Another food that is beneficial to kidneys is basil. Basil is a highly revered herb in culinary and medicinal traditions worldwide. This aromatic herb is not just a flavor enhancer for dishes, but a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants, particularly eugenol, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support the kidney's function and overall well-being. It also lowers uric acid levels in the blood, contributing to overall kidney health. Its essential oils and acetic acid content break down kidney stones, allowing for their smooth removal. Basil is a source of vitamins and minerals that are important for kidney health, including vitamin K, vitamin A, and iron. The anti-inflammatory properties of basil are particularly beneficial for the kidneys. Incorporating basil into the diet is simple and versatile. It can be added fresh to salads, soups, and pasta dishes, or used as a key ingredient in pesto. Dried basil can also be used in cooking, offering a more concentrated flavor. Additionally, basil tea is a popular way to enjoy the herb's benefits, providing a soothing and kidney-supportive beverage. Dates are a sweet and nutritious fruit that can offer several benefits for kidney health. It contains a variety of nutrients, and dates are a great addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Their rich nutritional profile supports the kidneys in several ways, from helping in the detoxification process to preventing the buildup of harmful substances. One of the primary benefits of dates for the kidneys comes from their high fiber content. Also, they are good sources of antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid. These compounds help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Dates also contain moderate amounts of potassium and magnesium, which maintain fluids and electrolyte balance in the body. You can also eat dates to gain a small amount of protein with low fat, or add it to your protein shake to gain energy. Including dates in the diet can be as simple as eating them as a whole, chopping them up into oatmeal or yogurt, or using them as a natural sweetener in smoothies and baked goods. Given their natural sweetness, dates are a versatile fruit that can satisfy sweet cravings while providing nutritional benefits. Dandelion, often seen as a simple weed, is a powerful medicinal plant with many health benefits, especially for the kidneys. This herb is not only nutritious, but also possesses properties that can significantly enhance kidney function and health. Dandelion is a natural diuretic, which means it helps increase the production and flow of urine. The leaves of the dandelion plant are rich in vitamins and minerals that are important for maintaining the health of the kidneys. Vitamin A plays an important role in maintaining normal kidney function. Dandelion leaves also contain significant levels of iron, potassium, and magnesium. People with certain kidney conditions need to monitor their potassium intake carefully. Also, dandelion roots are rich in a compound called inulin. If you haven't heard about inulin before, then it is a type of soluble fiber that supports the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut can contribute to a reduced workload for the kidneys by efficiently removing waste from the body. Inulin also helps improve blood sugar control, which is beneficial for preventing diabetes. The antioxidants found in dandelion, such as beta-carotene and polyphenols, provide further support for kidney health. Dandelion leaves can be added to salads or brewed to make a detoxifying tea. The roots can be roasted and ground to make a caffeine-free coffee substitute. Dandelion supplements are also available in the form of capsules, extracts, and tinctures. While these foods are incredibly beneficial for kidney health, remember you should have a holistic approach to your kidney health. Stay hydrated, reduce salt intake, and avoid foods high in phosphorus and potassium. Apart from these 8 tips, regular exercise and avoiding toxins like smoking and excessive alcohol can also protect your kidneys. Now, I turn to you, our viewers. Have you tried including any of these foods in your diet for kidney health? Or do you have other tips and experiences to share? Do share your tips in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.